Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I have some mixed leaf right here. I'm gonna make you a lovely salad. Alright, this is gonna be some chicken salad I have left over. This is it right here. Look at this. Chicken salad. Alright. So this is what's gonna happen. Got some cucumber. Tomato. Nice one. And then we're going to put some olive oil. You can put some red onion and also spring onion if you like, but this is some orange lemon. Lovely and nice. With a little bit of leftover stir-fried chicken rice. Nice and lovely. So what we're gonna do now is just simple, put everything together. But look at this. This is how we normally do it. This is just like some leftover stuff I have left in my kitchen. Look at that. That is amazing. Look at that, guys. This is fantastic. And what we're going to do is just put some pepper. Look at that. That is fantastic. Really amazing. I want to take the time out to say thank you so much, guys, for watching that lovely, amazing salad recipe. We've got a lot more recipe coming out like this. And thank you so much for tuning. So don't forget to subscribe and click in the notification bell. So as you can see, that beautiful and fantastic salad. Anyway, guys, chicken and rice and spinach, tomato and cucumber. It's just simple, something where you can make and bring it to work. Enjoy the recipe and please subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box. My name is Chef Ricardo and please stay tuned and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.